Words have inspired generations to take action. Today, we journey through his life from his humble beginnings in 1869 to becoming the face of India's fight for freedom. A champion of non-violence and truth, Gandhi's legacy is timeless. Let's explore the path that made him the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, into a Hindu merchant family. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was the Diwan of Porbandar, and his mother, Putli Bai, was a deeply religious woman who greatly influenced Gandhi's spiritual life. Gandhi was deeply influenced by his mother's simplicity, piety, and devotion. At the young age of 13 in 1882, he married a schoolboy, also from a respected family in Porbandar, in an arranged marriage, a practice common at that time. In 1888, Gandhi left for England to study law at University College London. He was keen to become a barrister and was greatly influenced by English culture, but the racial discrimination he faced while in England shaped his worldview and future activism. He completed his law degree in 1891. In 1893, Gandhi travels to South Africa to work as a lawyer to Dada Abdullah, an Indian merchant who needed legal assistance for a business dispute. This case, however, became a turning point in Gandhi's life. In Pietermaritzburg, South Africa, Gandhi was thrown out of a train for sitting in the whites only compartment. This incident of racial injustice profoundly affected him, marking the beginning of his fight against racial discrimination and injustice. In 1894, Gandhi founded the Native Indian Congress to fight for the rights of Indians in South Africa. In 1899, during the Boer War, he organized the Indian Ambulance Corps, demonstrating his commitment to service in times of crisis. By 1901, Gandhi co-founded the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress for the first time, marking the start of his connection with India's freedom movement. In 1903, he started the Indian Opinion newspaper in South Africa, using it as a platform to highlight issues affecting the Indian community. The following year, in 1904, Gandhi founded the Phoenix Settlement to provide a space for the Indian community in South Africa to live and work together. In 1906, he took the vow of Brahmacharya and developed the concept of Satyagraha, which would later become the foundation of his non-violent struggle. In 1909, he wrote Hind Swaraj, a critique of British colonialism, while aboard the ship SS Kildonan Castle. By 1910, Gandhi had established the Tolstoy Farm as a model community, promoting simplicity and self-reliance. In 1912, his mentor, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, visited him in South Africa